Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna work on 2010 Toyota RAV4 from 2005 until 2012. We're gonna show you the process how to change your transmission fluid for this car. So the fluid we're gonna use today, we're gonna use a Max Life transmission fluid required for this car. So how much fluid we need? We need 6 quarts to flush the transmission. So we need 2 quarts for flushing, and the rest you have to add 3.8 quarts to the transmission to flush it. Watch the video until the end to see all the process, and of course if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. Thank you. Guys, what we need: only 1 tools and funnel and Max Life transmission fluid. We need the tools. We need the 3/8, number 3/8, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, take the tools like that, put it to the plug, loose it. Here we go. And drain the fluid. And I told you exactly how much fluid you have to put in the car. So a lot of people gotta say, oh, why do you need to change the filter? Like, I don't change filter because the car has too much mileage. So I don't take chance to damage the transmission. If you flush the transmission all the way, you can damage your transmission. So we know they did that. So we'll just drain and fill to keep transmission safe and drive all the way smoother with no issue. See how you see the transmission was low a little bit. So we're gonna go on top, add some transmission fluid and clean the pan. Any bad fluid in the system gotta be dropped down. Stay with me, guys. Okay guys, so we have the funnel here. The fluid we're gonna use, Max Life, has 99WS. This is the fluid we're gonna use. I keep the plug open in the back there. So what we're gonna do, we keep adding until the fluid coming clear, clean. Here we go. And we keep adding fluid until we know the fluid coming clean from the back, from the nape. So you can see, guys, fluid drop down. Like down the pan. Anything stays stuck in the pan, dirty things, it's gotta go down. So you can add 1 quart to 2 quarts from the top, just to make sure the fluid's coming clean. Is that how we flush? It's better like that. If the car has too much mileage, a lot of people they say, oh, why you gotta change the filter? When you have too much mileage, guys, I don't recommend flush the transmission all the way. So stay with me, guys. Okay guys, so we're in need of the car one more time. So the fluid I've been added in the top, look, the fluid, guys, coming brand new. See, this one I told you can flush the car just like that. So like that you have 100% the fluid flush. So we're gonna clean the plug, has some metal shave inside of it. Make sure everything's good. Yep. And if you have extra washer, put an extra washer. So now we're gonna do, put everything back to the place. Put everything back to the place. Easy job, guys. Can do it by yourself. Cost you nothing. Cost you almost 30 bucks. It's better to pay $100 from the shop. Okay. And tie it good. And make sure don't tie it too much. Don't mess up anything. Get a towel. And that's it. We're done for the transmission. I'm changing the oil for this car. Let's go on the top and show how much fluid you gotta put in the car. So guys, now it's time to add fluid to the car. What the car recommended, how much fluid the car takes 3.8. So we're gonna be adding 3.8 now. So This one has 4 quarts, and this was required for Toyota too. Yeah, it was required for Toyota too. Okay. And please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, to keep showing you more tricks, any updates. Okay, so we're gonna add in fluid now. Sorry about the shaking because I just got my phone with me. This is my video. I make my videos. I'm a small YouTuber. I got it. Yeah, my partner wanna help me, but actually I need help. Yeah, 3.8. This one has 4 quarts. Add a little bit more. That's good like that. Put this one on the sides. Okay. Flip the funnel. And after that, what you do, so you have to put the dipstick back to the place, start in the car, and each gear, like reverse and natural drive, all of them 10 seconds each gear before you can drive the car. And check the fluid level and make sure the level is full. So after we start in the car, we shift the transmission, each gear for 10 seconds. So now check the fluid, look how clean it is. And it's full to this place, like it was brand new. So this if you have a lot of mileage on the car. If it's 200,000 miles, don't touch it. 190, don't touch it. 170, yeah, you can do it, no problem. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks.